Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, I will show you how you can delete all Facebook posts in one go. Please subscribe to the channel, put likes under the video, and also write comments after watching. Let's get started. To do this, open the Facebook app. After that, you need to go to your page. Next, click on the three dots. Select Activity Log. And here, click on My Facebook Activity. Post and your posts, photos, and videos. Wait for everything to load. It may take a while if you have a lot of posts. And you can easily see absolutely all the posts and photos that you've put on your page. And in order to delete just one post, you will need to click on the three dots next to it and select Delete. If you want to delete all the posts, then you will need to click on All Posts on the top left and move them to the trash. This way you will delete all the posts in one go. This is the way, friends, you can easily delete all Facebook posts in one go. I really hope this video has been helpful and useful to you, friends. Please put your likes, write comments under the video, and don't forget to subscribe. See you soon.